Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I want to talk specifically about high-ticket affiliate marketing and exactly how does it work. So if you're excited for this video as much as I am, then definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. I'm always bringing new content about how to do affiliate marketing, how to grow an online business, and how to create passive income. So if that's something that you're truly interested in and you like content like this, then definitely be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified of all the new videos I post on this channel. But in today's video, I want to talk specifically about high-ticket affiliate marketing and whether or not you should get into it as an entrepreneur. So if you're looking to build any sort of online business and maybe you've gotten into affiliate marketing already, and you have been, thinking about this for some time, maybe you are doing, some research on high-ticket affiliate marketing, and you're wondering whether or not it is worth it for you. Well, in this video, I'm going to be answering that exact question as to whether or not high-ticket affiliate marketing is actually worth it. So anyways, let's get right into it. So what exactly is high-ticket affiliate marketing? Well, if you aren't exactly familiar with high-ticket affiliate marketing, it is where you offer, products and services for a premium price point. So this can be anywhere in the, it could be anywhere up from, $500 up to $2,000, maybe even more than that, maybe up to $10,000 for certain premium level products and services. And then as an affiliate, you could earn commissions of $500 to $2,000 per single sale. So for every commission that you make, instead of getting like a small, $20 commission on like an ebook that you sell or something like that, instead of getting like, like 50 cents off of like the Amazon affiliate program, with like certain, low ticket products that you promote, with high ticket affiliate marketing, you have the potential of getting, commissions of $500, to $2,000 or more. Personally, a lot of people, they have like a different, definition on what high ticket affiliate marketing is, and what products are classified as high ticket. For me personally, any product that is priced at $500 or more, for me that is considered high ticket. Personally, that's what I consider to be high ticket. Anything where it's $500 or more is considered high ticket to me, because most people generally don't have $500 to invest in something right away. Whereas something like a $20 ebook, or like some sort of like $7 training program on like ClickBank, most people have that money to invest right then and there. Where they could enroll in whatever training it is right then and there. Whereas something like this, not everyone has the money to invest in that right away. So that is pretty much what high-ticket affiliate marketing is all about. And now I want to answer the question, is high-ticket affiliate marketing worth it for you? So before I really share my personal opinion on this, I want to mention that, high-ticket affiliate marketing obviously is not going to be for everyone. I understand that, certain people will resonate with it. Others will see it as more of a risk. Other people will see it, more of like, why would I sell something that is more high-ticket? So everyone is, I believe everyone is different, and everyone is really entitled to their own opinion. But in this, I wanted to share my personal opinion on whether or not you should get into high-ticket affiliate marketing. So my personal opinion on high-ticket affiliate marketing is, I believe high-ticket affiliate marketing is definitely worth it in the long term. If you are looking to get into affiliate marketing, then I highly recommend leveraging high-ticket affiliate programs. And the reason why I wanted to, of course, recommend this if you're looking to get into high-ticket affiliate marketing is because, well, actually, there's 3 reasons why I wanted to mention on why I recommend getting into high-ticket affiliate marketing. So I have them all laid out right here, and I'm actually going to reveal them all right now. So first reason why I recommend high-ticket affiliate marketing is that your customers will generally get what they pay for. So really think about it like this. Most high-ticket affiliate programs are in like the make money online / business opportunity / grow an online business type of niche, right? That's where most of the high-ticket affiliate programs are kind of in, because people are generally willing to pay, upwards of $1,000 or more to learn the skills necessary of how to generate more of a passive income online. A lot of people are looking to generate passive income online. They don't want to, spend 40 hours a week at a job anymore. They want to be able to create more of a passive income online where they could be working on their own terms, have that lifestyle of freedom. So that's why big high ticket affiliate programs in that niche, there's a huge need for them because a lot of people are willing to pay, that amount to learn the exact skills necessary. So reason number one is that your customers that you, of course, market to will generally get what they pay for. And what I mean by this is that someone who is willing to invest only $7 in training is generally going to get $7 worth of information, whereas someone else who is willing to invest upwards of $1,000 in their education, well, they're going to get, of course, much, better in terms of, what they're actually, paying for. So, the thing that I really wanted to, of course, stress in this video is that, someone who is willing to invest only, $7 in a program, generally those people are not going to be as serious as someone who is willing to invest up to $1,000 or more. Because think of it this way, when you invest $7 into like a training program, usually a lot of people, who invest in that type of amount, they have a very, get rich quick mindset. Usually they are dabbling into something. They want to be able to generate money very quickly. And if they don't generate sales within like their first week or their first month, or maybe even like, the first few days, then they start to get concerned. They get a bit discouraged, and then they start looking at all these other, shiny objects out there. And, a lot of people struggle with shiny object syndrome, and including myself for, a very long time, actually. I was constantly jumping from one business model to the next, constantly jumping from different training programs out there, and it was very hard for me to stay consistent in one direction because, me personally, I didn't truly believe in anything that I was doing. I thought, okay, well, if I find the right vehicle, if I find the right training that will show me how to generate sales quickly, then then I'll just, do that. But, a lot of people, when they invest $7 or, very little into something, then usually their commitment level is generally not very that high. And because of this, oftentimes, people who invest, $7, in a program that you, of course, recommend them, they're not going to have a very long-term mindset. So me personally, I would much rather focus on people that, are willing to invest, $1,000 into their training because, well, I mean, they're going to be much more committed in the long term. They're going to be willing to, of course, learn and learn the skills necessary in order to really get those long-term results. And those are ultimately the people that you want to surround yourself with. You want to be able to surround yourself with winners, people that are go-getters, people that, are willing to, take the time, to learn the skills necessary. They're willing to actually put in the work, and people who, only invest, $7 into, some training, they have kind of more the lottery ticket mentality. So that is reason number one why I personally recommend high ticket affiliate marketing, especially if you are going into the make money online / business opportunity niche. Generally, if you have someone that is willing to invest $1,000, they're going to have a much more long-term mindset. So that's really reason number one. As for reason number two, you will have a much lower refund rate. So this kind of goes along with reason number one, is that people who are willing to invest, only $7, generally they're going to be, there's a much higher chance of, them refunding later on if they decide that, the program doesn't work, it's a scam altogether, I didn't get results within my first week, so I'm going to complain and, beg for my money back. A lot of people who only invest, $7 in something, or like maybe in like $49 into something, they're going to be much more likely to not get the long-term results that they are truly aiming for. So a lot of these people are going to, if they don't get results right away, if they don't make their money back within, like a certain time frame, then they're going to complain. They're going to, try and get their money back. And, not everyone, who invests this amount is going to be like this. I don't want to, say that everyone is like this, but, there's a lot of people who, they have that very short-term mindset, because a lot of people like buying lottery tickets. A lot of people just have that short-term mindset where they want to buy into the right program. They want to, just buy into something and then make that money back overnight. They want to, make money very quickly. So a lot of people, and this also kind of goes along with the shiny object syndrome. A lot of people are just very inconsistent in one direction. And that's really a huge reason as to why most people online are failing. It's very unfortunate, but is the harsh reality in terms of why most people never really get the long-term results. So you'll have a much lower refund rate if you focus on people that that truly want to invest into premium level training. in terms of like how to really get the long-term results. People who take the time to invest in themselves, in their actual skill sets, they're going to be much more qualified in the long term to really get the long-term results, and they're going to be much less likely to, refund their money back. And as for reason number 3, and this is probably the most important, is that it will be much easier for you to reach, it'll be much easier for you in the long term to reach your long-term goals. So if your goal is to make, let's say, $10,000 a month, or maybe it's even like an extra, $2,000 a month. Well, it's going to be much easier for you to do that if you are generating commissions of, $500 to $2,000, from one single customer. Whereas if you try and make, let's say like $20 per customer. Well, think of it like this, right? I have my digital notepad app right here as well, and I want to create a bit of a visual representation to make it, much easier to understand. So let's say that you have, this bucket, right? You have this little, box, and your goal is to fill it every single month with rocks, right? So every single, I'll do like a bit of a visual representation. So let's say that every single sale that you make online is representative of one rock in this bucket that you're, of course, filling up, right? Well, one sale of, like $20, and let's say that, okay, so your goal is to make, an extra $2K in 1 month. So every month you want to make at least $2,000. You want to be able to fill up this bucket or this, or this box or whatever with, $2,000 worth of rocks. Well, every single sale that you make that's going to be of, like $20, it's going to look like this. These tiny dots right here that you could hardly notice. I actually drew like a line there. Do you notice how, this is, notice how it takes a lot longer to, fill it up with, small commissions. Whereas if you make, say, like one big commission of like, maybe you get like a sale of like, $100, right? It's like $100 right there. Maybe you make another sale later on of, let's say $500. So now we're at $600 right here. Maybe you got one sale of $2,000. So, or actually no, let's say $1K actually. So $1K, and then we got like another rock. And this one could be like, let's say, 1,500, right? So kind of like, 1.5K right there. So as you can see here, I think by this point you probably get the little visual representation that I'm sharing here. If you decide to only fill up your pipeline with little small pebbles like that, where it's like you're just promoting these little ebooks on Amazon, or these little $7 courses on ClickBank, well, your commissions are going to be very little. And it's going to be, although it may be easier to sell a $20 course, rather than like like a $1,000 course, it's going to be much easier for you to reach that income goal if you are aiming to get one sale of $1,000. Whereas if you make 20 sales of like 500 sales of like a $20 product, you know what I mean? So like you could be promoting low ticket items as well. But I highly recommend that if you truly want to create more of a full-time income online, if you truly want to build more of a passive income online, and you truly want to have that lifestyle of being able to work on your own terms, then I highly recommend that you consider using high-ticket affiliate marketing in your business. So that is really the message that I wanted to share in this video, and I hope you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below if you found this video helpful, and also be sure to give this a thumbs up because it really does help the channel. I really enjoy putting out content like this on a daily basis, and if you find content like this helpful, then definitely be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and this way you could be notified of all the new videos I post every single day. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more about how to really build a long-term business online, let's say that you want to create more of a passive income online, and you also want to know exactly, where is the best place to, of course, get started with high ticket affiliate marketing. What is my number one recommended program to, of course, start with? Then my first link in the description will give you pretty much all the information you need to know about how to really build a long-term business online, how to, promote pretty much anything that you want online, how to really get long-term consistent results, regardless of the product that you have to promote, regardless of the business opportunity you're going into, regardless of, whatever it is that you want to sell. And if you want to create more of a, you want to create, much larger commissions online, then that first link in the description will give you access to my training, my free training that I put together. It's a free 4-day training. And that really goes much more into depth about how to really build a long-term business online and actually create a full-time income online. So if that's something that you truly desire and you really want to create more of a passive income online, then definitely be sure to check out that link in the description. But otherwise, I hope you found this video helpful, and take care.